Hey everyone, I'm unboxing this April's box from Me and Me from Maniology. It's a monthly subscription. I will link the code when first time subscription holders signed up and put that information in the description after I'm done here. And let's get started. Here's the box. And here's the plates. Don't pay no attention to my nails. They're really in bad shape. They need to be redone. I'm still going to use the same color for upcoming nails I'm doing with all four subscription boxes. If I get the Maze box in the same time frame as I'm going to put that out when I do the live for you guys. If that happens, then this is 4 boxes, so all 5 boxes would be displayed on my nails somehow. On these nails somehow. Not these nails, I'm redoing them. Same color for the background, but I'm redoing them because they need to come off. Because I wore them way too long, and you could tell. Anyway, so moving on to showing the box. So here is this month's plates. You got the first one. I already took the wrapping off already. Look how beautiful those plates are. Look at that. You got, and excuse me, you see a ring light in there. But look at all these beautiful designs. They are so amazing. You got floral designs. You got the little fairies. The big leaf mushroom designs kind of look. The little fairies. Very cute. Oops. That was something I did. Whoopsie. Technical difficulties always happen. A lot of you can empathize with that. Anyway, here is the next one, the next plate. Look at all these fairies here and this beautiful designs here that you can either pick from the design and use certain elements from the design or use the full design itself. That's what's so wonderful about stamping. You can use elements of the design that's full or use the full design itself, which is very cool. And here are the colors. We have this one, which is close to the color I'm wearing, but it's not the color I'm wearing. Just to let you know, it's not the same color, and you can tell it's darker. It's actually this color that I'm wearing, which I will be wearing upcoming, and I will pair it with this nail polish for like overlayered designs. I'm kind of giving a little bit away, but I'm going to use this box, and from this box to February's box, and if I get the box for May, like if it's already here, it might be already here. If that's the case, then I will do all designs on my whole set of hands with all 4 or 5 boxes. So can't wait to do that with you guys. But okay, here we go, and here is the name and number for this polish right here. B. Then this beautiful polish with a gold metallic running through it and green. Love different greens. You can use different greens for all kinds of leaves, for the leaves, for the trees, colors. Multicolored greens are always useful. And here is that one. And here we go with the description. Look how beautiful that is, the card. Then it tells you description of the polish name, the number, and the description of the polish. Green with metallic shimmers. Then you got this B470 is a dusty pink out classic, our classic cream finish. I had this way away from my face, so I thought it, I put a T in there instead of the R, so that's my bad. I'm like, that doesn't make sense. I'm like, yeah, that has to be R classic. Hey, things happen. Anyway, and here is a mini design inspired that you can do if you want, or create your own mini from this subscription box. Here is how they did it, and if you want to follow along with how it was done, you could do so. And then they got merch that's out as well. Okay. And here's the free gift for this month's box. So those of you that want to sign up, I would do that now, because these comes in handy big time to keep all your plates in. A little protected screen there to protect the inside here, and just to keep it good in shipping, which is wonderful how they did that. But they're double-sided. You got the back side and the front side, and you get a good amount of sheets to put in there, even for a smaller case. So, and they also have other cases online, but mind you, when you signed up for the monthly subscription box and you're a full member, you're going to have access to more stuff than you would if you weren't. So just letting you all know that. But there you are. That's the mini me subscription box for April. Now, if May's gets here, I'll do a video on that one too. But here they are, all together. Beautiful, huh? So that's it. And you all have a wonderful rest of your week, and I'll see you soon.